preheating my oven to 425 so it could be nice and hot before I put in my salmon. In a bowl, go ahead and I believe add 3 tablespoons of lime. Next, add a tablespoon of hot sauce. What we'll be doing with this sauce, basically we're going to be drizzling it over our salmon once it's done cooking. Now go ahead at this time and just mix it. You can mix it with a whisk or just like how I am. I'm sorry for the way the camera was. I didn't know if it would even show up like that. But you basically will have your salmon, or how many salmon you want to cook, on a aluminum foil, and with some asparagus, lay it next to the salmon. Now sprinkling some kosher salt. I'm not sure how much, but basically you should know how much salt you should put on your food. Next, going in with some black pepper. Now I'm adding some parsley flakes on both of the salmon, even over the asparagus. Now I'm adding some cayenne pepper all over the salmon and asparagus. So whatever I put on the salmon, I'm putting over the asparagus as well. Now I know I added some pepper, and this Creole seasoning adds some pepper too, but I want it enough spicy enough, so I'm adding some Creole seasoning as well. I didn't have too much, so that's why you see me using a knife, but I'm adding some minced garlic. So our salmon won't be dry, I'm adding some butter over the salmon and the asparagus. Not too much and not too little. So now basically what I'm doing, I'm just basically folding the ends of the aluminum foil, basically when I put it in a pan, so the butter doesn't basically go out the pan. I don't know why I did that, I just did it. Once you're done folding the end, just like how I did, as you can see, you could go ahead and put it in the pan, but it's optional. If you don't want to fold the ends, you don't have to. Go ahead at this time and also cover so all the basically the steam and everything will stay inside. So basically these are some small salmon that I had got from Walmart. I'm just gonna be frying these on top of my stove, so I'm just showing you guys basically this almost the same seasoning that I've used on the other salmon that you see me use. So if you want, you can go ahead and watch this. If you don't, you can skip it. So this is how it looks once it is fried. I don't fry it too much. I'll say fry for about 5 minutes on each side if you like, or however you do it, and just, you know, using my techniques, but I just fry it 5 minutes for each side. So with the sauce that we did earlier, I'm basically drizzling a little bit of some on each of the salmon and saving some for the one that's in the oven as well. With these salmon, I just went ahead and decided to add in some white wine as well. Once the salmons are looking exactly how you want it to be, whether it's fried on the stove or in the oven, go ahead and take them out. So these are how our salmon is looking like after it came out under the oven. It is looking yummy and tasty. Yes. So that is it for this meal. It is done. It is finito. You can have and eat whatever with your salmon, or do your regular foods that you do with your salmon. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.